So this one is also a circular motion problem, but it is much more simple. So to find the acceleration, we're going to go ahead and use this formula so that it can tell us what the seconds is. So acceleration is velocity squared over the radius. So that equals 2 pi over times over the radius. So that's 2 pi over time is the velocity. And we have the whole equation squared. So further simplifying it with the squared, we have the acceleration equals 4 pi r equals t squared. So we want to simplify because we're solving for t. So here we have that t squared equals 4 pi squared over times r over a. Now we're plugging in our values. We see here that the wingspan is 8.9, which is the radius. So we have 4 pi squared over 8 times 8.9 over 4. That 4 can be canceled out, and we're left with t squared equals pi squared times 8.9. So we get the square root of t squared and pi squared 8.9, and we're left with t equals pi times the square root of 8.9, and the answer that gives us is 9.4, meaning that the answer is D.